What's going on, guys? F32 Mick here. Now in today's video what I'm going to be doing is installing my sequential or dynamic, as they would call it, turn signal adapters. So I've got the product here, so this is it. So all it does is you just slot it into the backlight and it will delay the outer tail light, so it will like kind of stroll like that, but you'll see once I've installed it. But yeah, what we're going to do is just go straight forward and crack on with the install, as it's an easy one. So to get to the actual harness itself, you're going to need to take out the outer tail light. So all you need to do is just take this out. You don't actually have to unscrew that, so you can just pull it like so. So that's that released, and then just pry it up and that'll pop off. Just get the right angle. There we go. I'll drop the screw as well. But yeah, you have these two bolts here, so 1 and 2. All you'd need to do, it's a 8 or 10 mil, I can't remember which one, but just unscrew those, and then there'll be a little piece just up here like that, just holding it in. It's like a little tab. Just get like a pry tool and pop that out, and the whole tail light will come out. So I'm just gonna do that on camera now. Yes guys, so obviously taking out the tail light now, the outer one. So I've got the adapter here, so let's focus. So this piece is going to go into the main harness, which is obviously there. On the actual adapter itself, you've got the basically not intensity, but the speed of which the sequential effect is happening. So you can have it like proper fast, or you can have it slow. This at the moment is set to 9. Well, yeah, it's on 9, so that equals 90 milliseconds. So I think I'm gonna turn it down to around 7, and then just see what it looks like from there. But yeah, I just need to obviously turn that in, like you can see here. So with that yellow cog, be able to turn it with a little flathead screwdriver, and then I'll be able to install it. So I fitted that side, the driver's side. So what I actually did is I turned it up to, I think it was 8, so 80 milliseconds, so it always goes up in tens. So you can obviously see that one, it's got the delay, and then you can compare it to the stock one. It just looks a lot better. Yes guys, so it's finally done. It's looking so sick. I absolutely love it. Ever since I've seen LCI lights, I've always wanted to do this, but it just looks amazing. I love that delay. It just looks more modern as well. But yeah, I know it's a nice and quick install, but you know, it makes a big difference. But yeah, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed that video, please like, share, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, because my next video, you know what, I'll tell you guys, I've actually bought another car, but I'm not going to reveal it. So yeah, make sure you're tuned in to actually see that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, it's beautiful. See you soon guys.